No.
Let me watch.
Can't see it right now.
So what you're saying is when you take that video, you'll have the video and you can send it to Mom and you'll still have it?
Look at him. He don't like that water. I mean, I think he likes it. He likes playing with it.
I know, buddy. It's like this thing. It's mocking him like Shiloh. Okay, what's my plan? Okay, I'll just charge after it. You want me to turn? Can I turn it up a little bit more?
No, it's okay. Yeah, go ahead and cut it up a little bit and see what he does. Punk.
You just started laughing first thing I turned it on.
Look at him. Goofy ass dog.
Can I turn it up a little bit more?
Yeah, a little bit more. See what he does. That's high enough.
Wait. I turned it up all the way. He's fighting it. He's digging him.
Slinging mud.
He's mud slinger.
Hey, goofball. Hey, what are you doing?
Digging. He's trying to dig his way to China. He's digging to China. Get it? He's digging for the water?
Yeah.
He's following the water?
Yes. Okay, cut it back down just a little bit.
Okay. Is that good enough?
A little bit more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
Ah! Ah! What if he slipped down that mud puddle? Imagine that. Imagine him doing that. Just imagine if we had a sprinkle, if we were using the sprinkler.
Right. Okay, now get your little wet ass down.